Hello everyone, I'm Fazi and I'm at Beifang Education. Here we have an electric vehicle training and testing platform. So if we see, we have a battery electrical vehicle testing platform. So it's been divided into 6 different parts. So first of all, if we see, we have the central control unit that control the whole car and includes some basic components like the gearing switch, the wiper, the gate and window controllers, and a testing site for the teaching purpose. That's for the testing purpose and for the teaching to the students. So from here we can control all the other parts of the vehicle. So the vehicle is already divided into 6 different parts. So this was the first part, and now if we talk about the second part, that is the air conditioning control unit, and it's also having a board that's also for teaching purpose and for the testing the air conditioning different voltages. Then if we talk about the power battery pack, then when we can see it's the third part, and it's also have a teaching board, and it's already packed in acrylic plate. So if we talk about our fourth product and the fourth part, that is a high voltage controller and a motor controller unit. We can see it has a converter and a motor controller. And then we have our fifth part, that is a motor and axle. Again, we have a testing board attached to it for the teaching purposes, and we can see all these parts are connected to each other through the wiring. That means they can be controlled through the central controller. And then we have our last part, that is we can see the whole vehicle low voltage electrical appliances, and they're all set up according to the real design of the car on the testing board. And we can see all the front and rear mirrors, the seats, the gate and window closing system, the roof, and all the other parts, including speakers and all the other low voltage electrical parts of a car. So here are some brief description about the 6 parts of our battery electrical car.